Baby Nitro, are you excited? Andito na, Baby Nitro, ang swing set mo. Nitro. Nope! Baby! Walang pake, no? Nitro, well, when you see it, you'll be very excited. Alright, here we go. Let's go, Baby Nitro.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Yeah! Eto siya. Andito na. Ayun na. Wow, so we just holding on to this until you get a new place? Or... Ow, are we holding on to this until you move?
Yeah, mate.
Okay, so it's not ours forever.
It's a whole month, mate. So if you like it, you can buy one, hey?
You know?
Oh, mate.
Alright. Not sure I love this thing, man. So, andito na yung bayaw ko. He's giving us a swing set for Nitro kasi lipat na sila ng bahay. So, iset up na natin ito. Shanta! Bring Nitro here!
Are you going to do it in the back?
Huh? Oh, yeah, okay, in the back.
Oh!
Take her in the back, man.
It's good for
What is that? Not sure what's that, huh? Hey?
If you put it, like, you can put the hose there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, cool. Yeah, turn it into a water slide. Oh, baby. That looks like fun, doesn't it? Sige na. Sige na nga. Go on, go down the slide, baby.
Nakatapa. Hindi nagsuslide.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
Alright, baby Nitro, we're gonna set up your slide. Yay! Woohoo! Is that fun, Nitro? Hey?
Kita na ko diya.
Wow! Wow! Nitro, hold on, hold on, hold on. Yeah, boy. Two.
Is that fun, darling?
Backyard. Do for a swing. Hey, let's get to the spot.
Woohoo!
Di ba yan
Hey.
Di ba siya mahulog?
Hindi ada. Is that fun? It's fun, hey? Woohoo! Woohoo! We're natural. Oh! You got daddy. You got him. It's a big one, hey? Whoa.
Hindi na yan naalis dito.
Forever na siya dito.
Nitro.
Is that gonna be fun? Yeah. Is that gonna be fun?
This thing that siya. Yeah, it's still high.
Lumakit.
Get up, baby, get up. There we go. Come on, get up. And then fall.
Up like
Ready?
this.
Slowly. Wait. You ready? Nitro, ready? Come on, it's okay. Come on.
1, 2.
Nakakatawa yung itsura niya.
Alright, I gotta go.
That'll be it.
Ay! Yay!
Alright guys, maraming salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa sunod na video ng Twantay! Baby Nitro, do you like your swing set, bebe, ha? Yes, you like your swing set, ano? Yes, gusto mo ba? Woohoo! Yay!
Say bye!
Gabi na po, matutulog na po si Nitro. Pero parang hindi.
Matulog, sabi niya.
Oo. Okay, Nitro, say bye!
Say bye.
Bye! Bye!